Alright guys, that's how my refrigeration is going to be going. The discharge is going to come up into the top one. I ran it along here, underneath there, and it goes there. I know a lot of guys say it's a hassle. There's filters or whatnot. It doesn't take long. Just flow some nitrogen in here. Is the nitrogen still flowing?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright guys, expansion tank's mounted. Connect to it. Refrigeration. Missing one fitting. That should be done. The back has to be adjusted and fit. Pool auxiliary comes up. Rod along all the way here. And the pool guy is going to hook up to this on opposite ends, supply and return. He also has two lines coming from here, pool water to the unit. It goes to the coaxial condenser. Here and here, I'll probably start it off for him and we'll meet halfway. Okay guys, I don't know when I'm gonna be back, so what I did is I use what I have to pressurize the lines. I got a 3/4 elbow hit there, piece of pipe with 3/4, a piece of 5/8 fits right into the 3/4 piece of pipe, and then an elbow, 5/8 elbow. Hopefully that would work. I'm gonna pressurize it after I finish brazing it. I want to put a little extra here because I gotta feel a little gap. Alright guys, from the original plan, the mechanical room was going to be the return. So what I did for added, I guess you could say, absorbing the noise, added these deflectors. I'm going to be cocking them in. They're pretty snug right now, and I have them staggered so it'll deflect off each other. My return boot is also insulated. So I ran on the wall here. And this is the original box from our unit. I mounted it on here. The filter rack panel is on the other side and the filter is underneath. As you see, I'm gonna put exhaust through that hole there. Just mounted the exhaust fan right now. Oops. So I ran the pool water that goes to the coaxial. I ran it across the unit, behind the unit. I didn't mount the brackets yet because I gotta get a better bit. But it goes behind a unit. That's the only way I decided to go that doesn't impede the supply. As you can see, the boot I put up already, and I gotta measure up what I gotta do for the transition. So either way, that's the best way I could go. So I went behind the unit. Ended up over here, and I stopped about there. And the pool guy can connect to that, and that's the first run that comes out of the pool water. This is my condensate above it, and that's going back to this red line, which is going back to the pool. I still gotta do the connection there. My water feed, I just mounted it there, hose bit it, goes up there, and this is what I made with that existing PEX coming out of the wall. I teed it off, I sharp bited. One size for the pool guy, I put a valve there for him. And reduced shark bite to 1/2 inch hose bib. I just hose it off to another line that's going to my automatic feed. Alright guys, electrical is done. Just gotta do a communication wire to my taco after. Insulate some of these pipes, gotta do a little bit more. I like to insulate all these pipes. And we'll probably be back, just finish off that supply. That exhaust, just pipe it outside, and it's gonna be open, wide open on this side because this room is the return. This room wasn't big enough to put a return all this equipment inside.